Hi guys, it is HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to set mobile data limit on your HONOR X6a. The first step to do that, we must go to the settings from main menu, where we choose third option, mobile network. Now data usage, and go to the last option, more data settings, where we can change our monthly data limit. Now we can do that in gigabyte or megabyte, and after we press that we can set maybe 15 gigabytes, and there we can change our start date, where our monthly data limit starts in the first day of month in this case, and usage reminders, where we can change our monthly data reminder of daily data remember. When we press that from left, it's go to the 3, or right we go up to the 20 gigabytes per day. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.